Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. Let's make pizza paratha. Take a mixing bowl, add in finely chopped paneer, capsicum, onion, oregano, salt, red chili flakes, and mix it really well. Now add in pasta sauce, pizza sauce, or tomato ketchup. Mix it well. This is your paneer filling. Now make chapati dough as usual. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a chapati. Place the paneer filling on one side of the paratha, top it with mozzarella cheese, fold the paratha so it creates a half circle. Now seal the edges and press the top so it creates a flat surface. Place it on a hot tawa, brush oil on both sides and cook till golden brown. That's it, your pizza paratha is done. I like to cut my pizza paratha into triangles. So I use a pizza cutter to cut it. Now let's pack the lunchbox. It's pizza paratha, hot boiled egg whites and mangoes are in her snacks box. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.